like pork pies. I try not to buy them too often though. Ooh, all that saturated fat. It's not what you call the healthy option. But sometimes, when I'm out shopping and I see them on the shelf, I just can't resist. All my friends know about the pork pie thing. They'll buy one if we're out on a trip or going on a picnic. They tell me that when they see the pork pie on the shelf at the shop, it reminds them of me. Then they buy me one as a gift. The children in my class at school know about the pork pie thing as well. When we go on trips, they bring their packed lunches. Some bring pork pies. Some bring two. They know that their miss likes pork pies. When I'm out shopping and I see pork pies on the shelf, I find myself standing there in the aisle, smiling. I remember the children in my class and all the great trips we've had together. I remember my friends and all the happy times we've had together. That's the power of the pork pie for you.